This is a raw, uncompressed image from a Canon camera. Windows photos might show a black screen because it lacks the codec. You can view it for free with the right plugin. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install the codec. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical CR2 data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. You are dealing with a CR2 file, which originates from the camera raw file family of formats. Its metadata is consistently defined by the Canon digital camera raw image file type. The CR2 file is the native proprietary raw image format used by Canon digital cameras. It contains the complete, unprocessed sensor data directly from the camera, allowing professional photographers maximum control over image development. Developed by Canon, the format is closed source and uses proprietary encoding to store the raw sensor data. The file is unviewable by standard image editors and requires specialized software, like Adobe Photoshop or Canon's Digital Photo Professional, to demosaic and develop the image fully. Windows often defaults to associating CR2 with the coded color Photo Studio solution from Ornstein. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows can view the file superficially, but professional-grade control requires dedicated raw software. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your CR2 file and select Open With. If Coded Color Photo Studio is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. If your CR2 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your CR2 file from opening correctly. First, use Canon software. Open the file using Canon Digital Photo Professional, DPP, or Canon Image Browser EX, as these are designed for the proprietary format. Next, install Codec Raw Filter. For Windows Mac viewers, install the Microsoft Camera Codec Pack, Win, or Camera Raw Filter in Photoshop Lightroom. Finally, convert to DNG. Use Adobe DNG Converter to convert it to the Universal Digital Negative .dng format. When compatibility tests fail, this is final confirmation that another utility is required. The right move is to proceed with the specialized opener built for complex CR2 files. The reason I use FileMagick is simple. It can read content from corrupted archives that standard programs reject outright. It's the guaranteed way to view your CR2 file. Find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Only get files from trusted sources.